click on your image, duplicate one, and add it to a separate page. Click on the image again, then go to Edit. In the Tool section, click on See All. Click on Blur. We're going to make sure to blur the whole image and increase the intensity of the blur. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the copied image, we're going to overlay it over our blurred image and make sure it's in the same position as the blurred image. Then I'm going to come over to Stroke Style. We're going to increase the stroke weight of the copied image, and we're going to crop it. And I'm going to change the stroke color to a white color. And then copy a duplicate image and then paste it on top. Make sure again it's in the same position as all the rest of the other images. This time we're going to click on Background Remover to remove the background of the image. And we're going to crop the background removed image and get it to a style that we want. And so now it looks like part of her is outside of this frame. So that's how you can create this animation effect. I just want to also point out that for the background remover feature, if you're on the free plan, you would have to be able to upgrade to the pro plan to be able to use the background remover feature. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.